Okay, we are now doing the audit of charitable institutions. Let's go for it. In this, let's do the points. First is, sir, when we are done in the class, we are done with the a charitable institution in mind called child care. So in that we will see whether constitutional documents are there in place or not. We'll check the internal checks in the charitable institution, law under which it is set up, and whether the amount is deposited in the bank. That is what we check. Any donation that we receive from the donors, whether official receipt is given against that or not. So that is official receipts. Official receipts will come from the receipt book. Receipt book, if it is getting used, then we'll have to check the counterfoil. If it is unused, then the receipt books have to be kept safely with adequate control. Basically, in a drawer with a lock, we should keep it. Okay. Next is whenever a person gives us the amount, of course, we'll check the counterfoil and a list of donations will be prepared. List of donations at the end of the year, we'll check with the reports or any printed list of donations which are there to verify whether the donations are genuine or not. Whatever money we have received in the form of donation and whatever is mentioned in the list of donations should match. And that is what is called as internal control. We'll check the internal control regarding the money received in the form of donation. With for income, you'll remember a code called girls. I told you your girls. This was a code. So in that we had grants received maybe from the government or local body. You'll have investment income, income tax refund, rental income, legacies, and special function. Suppose a person has given some money to conduct a singing competition, dance competition among children during Independence Day celebration. That comes under special function. Expenditure will be what? Very, very simple. We have a code here called cash grass, whether cash and bank balance is there so that we can do the expenditure. Grants given. This remember, charitable institution is giving the grant to some other charitable institution. Grants given. Then S is securities invested in, and S is special purpose. The for the special function, the amount which you have received should be used for that special purpose. This is what we see. Okay.